Shout out to Pidgin Poetry. My dearest Valentine. Now my heart will beat for you. It carry plenty story. You be my forever. My love for you no go ever tire. With you, I dey feel rich. Na Mumu dey pay for love, but I no go mind. For this love we share, I go always dey grind. You be my heart's desire. Every morning wey I dey waka, na you be my first thought. My heart don skip a beat for your love I dey caught. Your home dey my heart, na where I wan stay. With you by my side, I go love you every day. You be the light wey dey shine for my dark days. With your sweet laughter, you dey take my pain away. For this journey of love, we go dance through the night. Together we go conquer, everything go dey alright. From the first time we meet, I don't know say na you. Your smile dey light my path like the morning dew. For every heartbeat, I go cherish you more. For this love wey we share, e no go ever be a chore. So make I shout am loud, make the world see, say na you be my love, my heart, my everything. You gree? With you, I dey feel complete, like a puzzle wey fit. For this life of love, you be my ultimate sweet. This love wey we share, e no go ever fade. For the book wey dey my heart, na you be the sweetest page. So make we ride the wave, make our hearts collide. For this beautiful story, you be my love and pride. Together, we go shine like stars for sky. With you, my partner, forever and I.